Hi, I'm Kate, and this is a quick review of the Raleno Softbox lighting kit. So there are two lights that come in this set, and they come in a nice little bag, and they also come with bulbs to fit each light stand. It's very easy to take off this layer. You can use it without. This is what the bulbs look like. They're very easy to screw in, and the fastening is magnetic. Then the stand itself can be adjusted at different heights. So you've got the top part here, you can put the softbox either vertical or horizontal. There are holes for you to do both. Then you've got the mid part and the lower stand as well that can all be adjusted depending on what height you're looking for. You can switch it on and off easily with a button. It gives a really good light. And if you want a stronger light, you can remove the fabric. I've had both lights for about 3 years now. They've lasted really well. They're very reliable and they just get the job done. They're also very easy to collapse and store. So overall, I'd really recommend them. Those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this review helpful.